Is up. Happy Sunday. It is Pokey Taylor back at you with another market update video. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, keep the channel going forward. That's what we want. We just want to bring you guys some content, information, as well as learn ourselves, meet new people, and build connections. Let's hop right on into it, guys. We are looking at the Prismatic Evolutions Elite Trainer Box. Right now you can buy it for right around $150 plus $15 shipping, so you're looking around like $165. Guys, this thing is going up. If you bought this within the last month, you were up 25%. If you bought this within the last 3 months, you were up 27%. If you bought this within the last 6 months, it looks like that is the sweet spot right now. You're up 63%. I just want to say congratulations. If you bought this a year ago, you're up 18%, which, listen, guys, that's nothing to be ashamed of. A lot of times you don't even get 10% back in the stock market, depending on where you're putting your money at. So this is actually not a bad move if you did buy this a year ago. Regardless of whatever some of the videos may tell you, this is not bad. I don't see the price easing up. I mean, it might ease up a little bit, but I believe by the end of the year, it may be shooting over to the 200 point. On to the next, guys. Let's go over the Surging Sparks Elite Trainer Box. I believe this is going to be a good long-term investment. I believe this isn't going to be something that may break the bank by the end of the year, but let's just go over the market data. Market price is $80. That's not bad, guys. You can probably find this on Facebook Marketplace for $70, which is an even better deal. And if you bought this a month ago, guys, you're only up 3%. Again, you got to hold this thing. This is not a quick flipper. Now, if you bought this 3 months ago, you're up almost 18%. That's actually not bad. That's almost like the move you did with Prismatic when you're doing the year talk. Not terrible, guys, and it is one of the lower price ETBs out there. If you bought this 6 months ago, you're only up 6%, so nothing crazy. If you bought this a year ago, you're down. So if you bought this a year ago, it's worse than Prismatic, way worse, and Prismatic at least is in the green. This is in the red. But however, guys, this is the time to buy. As you see, the trajectory is slightly going up. It is taking a dip. It's going to go back up. I think going into next year, it will be over the $100 point. And guys, this isn't going to be a big profit booster. This is just going to be a nice big percentage booster going into next year. You just had reprints, so I think we'll be waiting a little bit for more reprints, and then we'll get a bunch. However, guys, this is not a bad pickup. Under $100, don't see an issue here. Let me know down below what you think. On to the next. Let's talk about the 151, guys. Yes, the 151, the nostalgic. This is actually one of the sets that truly got me back into the hobby, especially with that freaking Snorlax. It's so awesome. Guys, this is pushing almost $500. Last sale, I believe, is $480, so we are pushing that. It took a little dip. It's going to go back up. So if you bought this a year ago, obviously you're in a great shoes. You're up almost 130%. You bought this 6 months ago, you're up 30%. That's still good. You bought this 3 months ago, you're up 22%. You bought this a month ago, you were up 9%. So, guys, it does not matter if you bought this a month ago, 3 months ago, 6 months ago, or a year. And, guys, last month I was even talking with my girl, and I said, babe, this is kind of crazy. It's not out of print yet. Didn't really know too much, but it is going into the $500 point. And this was a month ago, and if I would have bought it a month ago, guys, I'd be up 9% of my money, and that is not a terrible move. I think I'm going to have to go to my next card show, go find this, go on Facebook Marketplace. I have to get this just at least to put in the PC for a very long time to come. If you don't have the money, guys, I completely understand. Listen, I'm not trying to FOMO into you getting anything. However, though, if you have the funds and you're looking for something to put into Pokemon, this is probably one of the grade A+++ moves you can do. I think after celebrations going into next year, I think next year is going to be the big year. This goes into the $600 point. Let me know what you guys think down below. Alright, guys, Ascended Heroes. Hopefully you scored some over the weekend. I got some for MSRP, so I will not be copying any for overinflated with this 122. However, though, guys, when it does reach a certain point, I may actually go ahead and buy a couple more. Right now, unopened you can buy is 122. That's what the market is on it. There's really no graphing data, so I won't really go over that. Guys, they're dropping a Walmart Plus release on Monday. Definitely try to see if you can get that. They're dropping a lot of stuff on the Walmart Plus membership going into this next week. Let me know if you guys are able to get more, but this is something I would hold off on, maybe at least for the next 2 weeks until that next cycle goes through and you see much more in the market. You actually might see this go dip under the $100 point. I don't see it going on under $100, but I hope I am wrong. If it goes under $100, guys, I'm definitely buying more. On to the next. Celebrations, guys. You already know the 30th is coming this year, and we are super stoked. Cannot freaking wait for it. Right now, they are finally pushing the $300 point. Right now, market price is $298. Just say $300, guys. I mean, this is $300. You're paying basically $309, $310 with shipping. It's finally done it, guys. It is here. It's broken the $300 point. Now, will this keep going up? Because in the last 3 months, it's gone up 30%. In the last month, it's gone up 14%. The last 6 months, 30. In the last year, that is a freaking banger, guys. 144%. If you bought this a year ago, congratulations. This is freaking awesome. I definitely got to try to figure out how to get my hands on this, because this is something you just need in the PC. And guys, let me tell you, I mark my words, by when you get to the 35th celebration, this will be a $750 ETB going into a $1,000 ETB. Mark my words, I am saying it here. You can mark the date. It is February in 2026. On to the next. All right, guys, we're going to get into some booster bundles. Today I want to talk about the Prismatic booster bundle, because I believe this is going to do what the 151 did. And the 151 we're going to get into in just a little bit over here. But right now, guys, you're at 67 plus $5. I know what you're feeling. It's an uneasy settling thing to be like, yes, I'm going to go buy this for $70 when you have the Sam's Club redropping here soon. But market price on it, guys, is $70. In the last 3 months, it is up 25%. In the last 6 months, it's up 23%. In the last year, it is down, right? So this actually might not be a terrible time to buy. However, though, even me, I'm kind of weary about it. When you go the last month, it is up and down 7%, but the 3 month gives us a good graph. Guys, I don't think this is actually going to go that much down in price. I think it may go down maybe a couple dollars, but I think going into the middle of next year around this time, this will be closer to at least 85, 90. And if you're looking at percentage, that is a good percentage mover. So if you have some funds and you can allocate them, definitely pick up a couple. I'm going to try to go get the Sam's Club drop, and I believe that's what we're going to go into next, guys. The Sam's Club freaking surprise box with the booster bundle. Right now, I told you guys this is going to go up. It's already now up at 95 with 93.85. Guys, if you can, try to wait for the 27th. It's this upcoming Friday. See if you can grab a couple. These are $39 and change, brand freaking new. As you can see, it is up. I mean, you're getting double your money plus some. I mean, it is freaking ridiculous, guys. No market data. Obviously, it just dropped a couple weeks ago, but $93 is the market on it, and I don't see this slowing down, guys. I don't see this dipping until you get the stock on Friday. I don't see it dipping at freaking all. So when it does drop and you see them on Marketplace, snatch as many of these freaking things up as you can. We just seen that booster bundle was going for 70. Surprise box is going for 40. Guys, that's 110 freaking dollars right there, and it is only going to go up, guys. Prismatic is super, super popular, super hype. This is something I do recommend. If you can get for MSRP, get it. If you can't, wait till Facebook Marketplace, they start posting, and then that is your time to buy. Guys, don't sleep on it. If you don't have the funds, if you maybe have funds for one but not two, just get one. That's not a terrible idea, not a terrible move. All right, Destin freaking Rivals, guys. This is at the $52 price point. This is, I think, the lowest it is actually going to go. I don't see it ever going lower than $50, $52. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do you think this is going to go under? Right now, market price is $51. In the last month, it is down 12%. In the last month, it is up, guys. I think this is where you start seeing it shoot up. I think this will easily go to $60 in a couple months. Hold me to it if it does. If it doesn't, call me out. That's okay. We learn. We're just going to learn together. We want to be positive, guys. I want everyone to get stuff that goes up in value, right? This isn't just a me thing. I actually have one. I need to get more. And again, guys, this isn't something I'm getting to make a quick flip. This is something I actually do want to put in my PC for a very, very long time. In the future, may I sell it? I mean, sure, we all may sell it. Will I trade it? I could possibly trade this for trade bait with other things, guys. So it's just truly up to you and what you want to do. If you want to resell it, that is completely up to you. I'm not judging, but I am not a reseller. I'm not going to try to resell it. Anyway, guys, on to the next one. This is actually This is a weird topic point, right? Because, guys, it just took a little bit of a dip, but it's been on an upward swing because of that bubble mew. It's really boosted. Paldean Face is about to go out of print. Right now, guys, market is 120. You know, I'm not going to lie. I just don't think this is just a bad play at all. I actually think this might be a decent play. You might be able to find these for 110 on Facebook Marketplace. If you can, grab one, grab two, grab three, grab 10, whatever you can. It's jumped up a lot in the last 3 months. In the last 6 months, let's see what it's done. It's done 33 in the last 6 months. That's great. In the last year, it's up almost 100%, which, guys, that's great. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for items to move the needle right now, and some items that may not move the needle right away, but it will move the needle in the near future. This is something that will either A, move the needle big time after celebrations, or B, just slowly give you a gradual movement. Don't see a bad or any wrongdoing getting this. I actually see this being a good buy. Let's go to the next one, guys. This is the controversy right here. The 151 booster bundle. Guys, market price is 130 freaking 8. This has moved so rapidly within 3 months. This has moved rapidly within, I think, even a month. It's up 18% in a month. It's up freaking 58% in 6 months. In a year, it's up 111%, almost like Paldean Fates, guys. 151 and Paldean Fates. 151 is going to go at a rapider pace than freaking Paldean Fates because the nostalgic factor. This is actually why I want 151, is because the Gen 1 Pokemon I used to watch with Ash back in the day, it's just nostalgic. This is for everybody's collection, no matter if you're new, old, anybody just getting in. This is the perfect freaking thing to have in your collection. If you can get the ETB like we went over earlier, that actually is, me personally, I like that more. However, this is just more affordable at the moment. Guys, let me know what you think, but I think 151 will not slow down. I think you should hop on the bandwagon, hop on the hype, and just ride it into the freaking sunset, because this will not stop. I don't think this will ever go down in price. Mark my freaking words on that. Now let's go on to some UPCs, guys. Guys, Team Rocket's Moltres, I'm kind of up in the air about this. I don't know if they're getting restocks on this. Guys, please do me a favor. Comment down below if they're ever going to have restocks on this. If they're not going to have restocks on this, I don't think 219 is a freaking bad buy. It is down in the last 3 months, guys. In the last 6 months, it's down 26%. Obviously, because it hasn't been out for 6 months. It's only been out for freaking a couple. But, guys, this might not be the worst buy. It's going up. It's ticking up. But I don't know if it's going to get a reprint. I think this is more limited. Obviously, this was the GameStop release. Let me know what you guys think below. I think within the next year, this is going to break the $300 point. It has the Team Rocket stamp on the front. That is freaking fire, guys. If you're wanting anything Team Rocket, or if you have a nostalgic effect with Team Rocket, just do yourself a favor. Go ahead and get this. I'm trying to go get this right now. And let's go on to the next. Guys, this is something everyone's been talking about for the last 3 freaking weeks. You had the opportunity. We all had the opportunity. I had the opportunity to buy more, and I didn't. I regret it. Guys, this is freaking crazy. In the last 3 months, at the lowest point, let's go to the last month. In the last month, you could have bought this for right around the 135, 130 point. If you got it in stores online, which it was available for the majority of the time, was 166. 135 you could have bought it for, but guys, market on it is 166. Lowest listing to sell is right around 170. Guys, this will be $200 by the end of the year if they don't have massive more reprints. Everyone's breaking this, guys. This is just such a good freaking deal if you want to open packs. And it's just going to continue moving up. The other Charizard UPC, I believe we're going to get into that next, guys, is freaking going in the $500 point. It is, look, hopefully this is it. Oh, nope, not it. Let's go to the next one. Hold on. Nope, not it. This has to be it. Guys, this market on it is 486. 480 freaking 6. It might take a year, 2 years, 4 years, 3 years to get to that point. But, guys, it will. It freaking will. Trust me, this is going to get there one day. They might, if they have any more reprints, if you can buy this on Marketplace for 140, 130, 150, I don't think it's bad. If you hold this, guys, you're going to be very happy. Let's get into the next one, and that is the 151 Ultra Premium Collection, guys. If you can afford this, go get it. If you can afford this, go freaking get it. I need to get one. I need to get one. I need to get one. And the reason why, guys, in the future, this is just going to go crazy. The Mew on the front is freaking crazy. The Ultra 151, just the logo of it is just freaking awesome, guys. This is going to be a needle mover. In the last month, it's up 15%. In the last 3 months, it's up 20%. In the last 6 months, up 40% just about. In the last year, it is up 100%. Guys, this isn't going to go down. It might take a small, little, tiny dip, but it is going to keep going up. $692 is market price, so just say $700, round up. Guys, if you can get this on Facebook Marketplace, marketplace for in the 6s. This is not a bad buy, especially if you want to hold it long term. You will make your money back if you ever want to sell. Or guys, you buy it now, it goes up a couple $100, you use it as trade bait, and you get some really good stuff with it. Guys, let's go to the next one, and that, of course, is the Celebrations UPC. Guys, market is damn near $1,000, $924. It's going to break $1,000, I believe, by the time 30th is out. If you have the money, if you have the funds, and you can go get one, don't see this being bad. Obviously, this is freaking 5 years old. It's just, they're not printing it anymore, guys. This price is only going up. This is not going down. Look at the movement. Look at the movement in the last month. Nothing. Look at the movement in the last 3 months. It's up 1%. Look at the movement in the last 6 months, 14%. Look at the movement in the last year, 117, guys. This is going to keep moving up. Mark my words. It's at a slow pace now. It might not be the strongest set in the world, but that 25 logo on the front is going to be nostalgic. Next one is going to be the Sword and Shield Ultra Premium Collection with the Charizard Lost Origins. Guys, I don't think this is a bad move either. This is a Charizard. This guy's going to go up. Let's go to the last month, though. Let's just see where it's moved. 16% in the last month, 23% in the last 3 months, 30% in the last 6. In the last year, it is up 86 freaking percent. Imagine this next year, guys. I believe this is going to be a $650 box right here. Mark my freaking words. It is going to be a $650 box by maybe next year this time or the end of next year. It's just Charizard, guys. It's nostalgic. You gotta love them. Personally, I love them. Some people don't like them, but that's okay. Doesn't matter. It's always going to be one of the better sellings. Guys, let me know what you thought of the products we went over today. If you're going to be collecting anything, if you're picking up anything, let me know what you got for Ascended Heroes. Like, comment, subscribe so we can bring you more content, and let me know.